Hello, I am here with a Shumi mystery box. This is my fourth Shumi mystery box. The first one I got the Devil from Cuphead. The second box I got Razor Ramon. The third box I got Sharon Rogers as Captain America. And this is going to be my last Shumi mystery box, because I have to start saving up for SDCC. I did pre-order Bob's Big Boy from Shumi, so that should be here when it releases. I also got the Revenge of the Sith Smuggler's Bounty Box, which I'm very excited for. Hopefully Anakin, or a movie moment of the duel between Anakin and Obi-Wan. But maybe I can get lucky with this and get a chicken dinner or a pop with a sticker. It doesn't even have to be a chase. It can be, I've seen people get like PX exclusives or Emerald City Comic Con from Shumi, so hoping for something new. Hopefully a sticker. Oh, it looks like something. Oh my. Is that what I think it is? There we have it. Masters of the Universe Merman. He's actually really cool. I'm happy to have him, but I got a paper. Oh, what did I win? Congratulations. You have won the pre-order of The Jetsons, complete set of 3. Oh, I can't believe it. There, complete set of the Jetson Pops. I actually won. Oh, this is awesome. So, funny thing is, my dad has already pre-ordered Rosie the Robot, and that should be coming out. But this I can get George Jetson, Rosie the Robot, and Astro. So this is awesome. This is a great box. This has been the best box from Shumi I've gotten. And after SDCC, I may pick up some more Shumi mystery box. But until then, Merman saying thank you.